what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Runa. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I de-stress my life and de-stress my skin. I'm going to share 5 steps with you guys that I use to de-stress my life, especially since I am on social media. I work from home. I often find myself constantly working and constantly neglecting myself. I just wanted to thank our sponsors for this video, GlamGlow. They just came out with the newest innovation in skincare, Moisture Trip. Look at how pretty this is, you guys. Moisture Trip is an omega-rich moisturizer. It's a lightweight day and night moisture cream. It's really good to instantly relieve your daily stress on your skin, such as redness, drying. So I had to build a routine that I could keep up with, kept it easy, simple, so I could de-stress myself, my skin. That's how I keep my skin always looking nice and healthy, because I have a very simplistic, easy routine. The first thing that I always like to do when I'm de-stressing is I will turn on some amazing vibey music. I have Apple Music. I pay $10 a month. It's super worth it because I can listen to any type of music that I want to. On my playlist right now, I have Billie Eilish. I hope I said it right. A lot of Taylor Swift and a lot of Lizzo Beat. I love Lizzo because she's all about body confidence and stuff like that. I'll even listen to podcasts to de-stress because I feel like when I listen to a podcast, it just uplifts me. It takes me out of any type of stress that I'm having. It makes me broaden my mind, and I'm all about that. It's important for me to also be mentally stimulated when I'm stressed out, because I feel like when I get really stressed out, my brain tends to just go on dead mode, and I just want to like sit in a corner and not worry about anything. Stimulating my brain does help me de-stress, and it helps me be distracted from things that are not worth the stress. Second step to me de-stressing is de-stressing my skin. It is so important for me to always feel confident, because it makes me feel less stressed out. Whenever I can present my best face forward, it just makes me feel extra confident. And the way I de-stress my skin is I have a little bit of a step. So I do masking, I apply really good moisturizing, and I have a whole amazing routine. One of the first things that I love doing is I love de-stressing my skin with a mask. I love this GlamGlow Insta Mud. This is a 60-second pore refining treatment, and why I like it is because it's 60 seconds. If you guys know, there's a lot of masks on there that are like 40 minutes long, 30 minutes long, and you know, honestly, sometimes I just want something quick and I want to do something quick that's also good for my skin, and this is my favorite. Put a bunch on to my hand, and we're just gonna go in generously with this on. You gotta work very fast with this because it does start to foam up really fast. But it's such an amazing treatment. It's done so fast. This is literally a 60-second item, so I'm literally gonna turn a 1-minute little timer. During this time, I really just try to like shut my eyes and chill out for a whole minute, not worry about nothing, not get on my phone. Key is to de-stress, disconnect, chill out, focus on you. Just sit there and like have like a little 1-minute meditation and just do some breathing methods so you just feel just amazing. Feel the tingliness of this mask on your skin and just be present in the moment. Now that my skin is nice and squeaky clean, I can literally feel my pores just going squeaky clean, and they're just glistening. That was an amazing mask. It's time to moisturize. Moisturizing is the most relaxing thing that I do, because I love how smooth and nurturing moisturizer is on my skin. So today I'm going to be using GlamGlow's newest skincare innovation, Moisture Trip. It is a omega rich moisturizer. Doesn't that just sound good? Omega rich. This is a lightweight day or night moisturizer. It's literally going to reduce your daily stress that your skin experiences, like redness, irritation. Chaga mushroom. Doesn't that sound luxe? That just sounds like good for your skin. The chaga mushroom is an antioxidant, super rich food that literally helps your skin. And also this is going to be super hydrating because it has hyaluronic acid in it, and we all know that is the good stuff for your skin. It just helps plump your skin up. And I love anything that has hyaluronic acid in it because it definitely helps me with my super dry skin. I have super dry skin, and it's just unfortunate that that's what I have. So I often use products that have hyaluronic acid in it, and I'm so glad that this has it in it. And the Moisture Trip is non-psychoactive, it's non-intoxicating, it's silicone free, it's fragrance free, and it's actually vegan. So this it's good for you. It's good for you. And this is actually good for all skin types, dry, oily, whatever. Especially dry skin. I feel like this will be like really good for dry skin. And if you have oily skin, it'll be really good for your oily skin because it's lightweight. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on my skin. Just a really thin layer. You do not need a lot. I like to rub it between my hands and then just moisturize. Oh, this feels so good. Hello. I think this is super amazing to use, especially after a mask, and especially if you're using any of the Super Mud masks from Glam Glow or any of the pore refining masks that you have on hand. This is really good because it'll just replenish your skin with all the moisture that it loses sometimes from a pore refining mask or a detoxifying mask. Oh my God, this feels so good, you guys. It feels so nice and cooling. It feels wow. So now that I've applied Moisture Trip all over my face feels so moisturized. I feel so refreshed. I love that it's not a tacky, greasy feeling at all. It's just like a super refreshed, ready to go feeling or ready to go to bed feeling. And I love that it's not heavy. The texture's perfect. My face is nice and smooth. And I mean, this is about to be in my daily skincare routine. Hey guys, so that's what I use to moisturize my face. That is part of my skincare routine. And then after I do my skincare routine, number 3 is I do meditate. I love to meditate, you guys. I will do 3 or 4 minutes of meditating. I'll probably use Headspace because Headspace actually guides me through meditation. I love that app. If I can't do Headspace and I feel like I'm just not there for meditating, then maybe I'll even do some yoga and I'll just relax and chill out. These are the current 2 books that I'm reading. I love these books. They're so good. I'm almost done with this one. I'm starting on this one. This is an amazing book. It's really good for all you girl bosses out there. If you're an entrepreneur or if you're, looking out to do any type of like self-employment or have a side hustle, anything, or even if you're gonna try to get a really good job, this is like a really good book that motivates you as a woman and pushes you to go beyond your boundaries. And then I also love this one, which is Girl Wash Your Face, which is also amazing. It has a lot of body positivity in it. It has a lot of self-love in it. It has just such great things in it. Everything that I have in this video will all be linked down below, you guys. So you can definitely check out those books in the description down below. And number 5, you guys, de-stress. The most important one is sleep. It has been so hard for me to give myself this opportunity. I used to be someone that thought sleep was for the weak. I know, judge me all you want to. I should have never thought like that, but I felt like if I sleep too much, then I'm not productive or I'm not doing anything. And it caused me to stress out because I wasn't sleeping enough. So I started to teach myself to take naps, get sleep in, get downtime in. I actually schedule naps, I schedule downtime in. So sleep is another thing that I would like to stress for you to use as a de-stress method as well for your life and for your skin, because sleep really does help your skin look good. So guys, that's all I have to share with you guys today. I am officially gonna go and live my best life because I feel super amazing now and I feel super de-stressed now and I feel like my skin is just looking bomb now. So thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like down below and let me know what you guys de-stress about.